Dude, you should totally just confess to her.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro.
Well, guess what? I actually have the courage now. Take a look at this. I'm planning to give it to her.
Yo, that's insane.
Whoa!
I'm gonna be putting this in her bag, but she won't know who it came from. Yet.
No way, bro actually did it.
Mission success, bro.
OMG, did you see the new bubble shop?
Oh my gosh, we need to go out for boba sometime.
I like the chocolate flavored one.
That flavor is so good.
OMG, what's this? Jenny, look, a love
Oh
letter.
my gosh, who could it be from?
Dear Vivian, you may not know who I am, but I know you. I can't help but admire everything you do. The way you raise your hand in math class, every problem in exam you always pass.
Your wits and beauty simply blow me away. Finally, I have the courage to let my feelings give way. If you are interested, check under the table in the patio. You'll find a note, a clue to who I am. I hope you go. From your secret admirer.
Well, what are you waiting for? Let's go.
Look over there. It's a patio. Let's check the paper.
It says here right under the tables.
Here it is. Dear Vivian, if you're reading this, that only means one thing. You want to know me and the feelings I bring.
Here's a problem I present to you. You'll be a step closer once you answer this clue. If I gave you 3 flowers in the first week of school, 31 flowers in the next week, and 59 flowers in the week after that, how many flowers would I give you after 3 more weeks of school? Assuming I am following an arithmetic sequence.
Jenny, do you have anything I can write on?
Yup, luckily I brought paper and pencil with me. Here you go.
So, our arithmetic sequence is 3, 31, 59, and so on. Apparently, we need to look for the number of flowers that he will give me after 3 more weeks of school. So, what we have to do is add the first 3 weeks with another 3 weeks. This equates to 6 weeks, which means we need to look for the a sub 6 of the scenario. First, let's identify what we can get from the given arithmetic sequence. A sub 1 is 3, since it is the first term, and a 6, since there are 6 terms in total.
But Vivian, how can we get the common difference?
It's actually very simple, Jennifer. We just need to subtract the second term with the first term, which in this case is 31 and 3. 31 minus 3 is 28, therefore our common difference is 28. Let's move on to the actual solution. The formula we'll be using is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. What we need to do is replace parts of the formula that we have obtained from the given. And so we'll now have a sub 6 equals 3 plus 6 minus 1 times 28. The next step is to simply solve the equation we've substituted, and the answer will be our a sub 6. 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 times 28 is 140, 140 plus 3 becomes 143, therefore the a sub 6 of this problem is 143. My secret admirer would have to give me 143 flowers after 3 more weeks of school.
Oh my goodness, Vivian, you are a math genius.
But now that we're done with the first clue, where do we go?
Maybe we can find something if we go down.
Okay, let's go.
Vivian, look!
Is that a flower trail? You know what, let's just follow it. Maybe it'll lead us somewhere.
Whoa, look over there. I think I see a note.
Dear Vivian, if you're reading this letter, you still want to play my game. And if you get this right, it serves as a clue, the first letter to my name. Vivian to me are every means, from the lowest possible number to infinity and beyond. And my infatuation with you also corresponds. To know the first letter of my name, insert 4 means between 118 and 143. The common difference of this sequence will set you free. Once you complete this problem, your next location would be in the gym's bleachers.
Arithmetic means?
I'm not quite sure on how we should do this one. You know what? I think we should ask a teacher about this.
Yeah, I agree, Jennifer.
Honestly, I'm still new to the whole Quipper thing.
Good afternoon, Sir Capo and Sir Gango.
We need your help.
We encountered a certain math problem that involves arithmetic means.
Would it be okay if you showed us how to insert 4 means between 118 and 143?
Ah, sure thing. Here's how to do it. What we're gonna do is write 118 and 143 and insert 4 spaces between them. In order to find the means or the missing terms, we need to identify the common difference. Before we do that, let's determine the given. A sub 1 is 118, a sub 6 is 143, and n is 6 because there are 6 terms in total. The formula we will be using is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. First, we need to replace parts of the formula that are known. After doing so, we will have a sub 6 equals 118 plus 6 minus 1 times d. Now we need to solve the equation we have. After distributing the d, we get 6d minus d. 6d minus minus d is 5d. After that, we need to transpose 118 into the other side of the equation. 118 becomes negative. So now we have 143 minus 118 equals 5d. After subtracting the 2, we get 25 equals 5d. Now we have to divide both sides of the equation by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5, and 5d divided by 5 is d. Therefore, our common difference is 5. Now that we have our common difference, we can add 5 to 118. We would get 123. Now we just need to keep adding 5 until we get 143. So the four arithmetic means between 118 and 143 are 123, 128, 133, and 138.
Thank you so much for your help, Sir Gapo.
We really do appreciate it. Now we understand arithmetic means. We'll be on our way now. Thank you again. Goodbye. A common difference of 5. That means his name starts with the letter E.
Come on, let's hurry and go to the bleachers. Where could that note be?
Oh, there it is.
Dear Vivian, you're now much closer to knowing who I am, but solving this problem won't give you my Instagram. Instead, it will reveal my grade, and once you discover that, I will soon free you from this to read. This will be the last problem that I present to you. Once you finish it, come find me at my grade level room. Vivian, if my feelings for you one day were represented as 35 butterflies in my stomach, the second it would be represented as 47 flying doves. If my feelings for you were following an arithmetic sequence, what day would allow my feelings to grow 143 lonely roses?
I think I can answer this one, Vivian.
So, our given arithmetic sequence is 35, 47, and so on. We are also given the value 143, but we just don't know what nth term it belongs to. Let's take a look at the given. A sub 1 is equal to 35, a sub n is equal to 143, and our common difference is equal to 47 minus 35, which is equal to 12. We will still be using the same formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Just like what we did earlier, we just need to replace the parts of the formula that we know. That means we'll have 143 equals 35 plus n minus 1 times 12. What's left to do is to solve. We need to distribute 12 into n minus 1, which means we will get 12n minus 12. Next, we'll have to combine 35 and negative 12. We will get 23. We now need to transpose 23 into the other side of the equation. So now it will become 143 minus 23 equals 12n. This results to 120 equals 12n. The final step is to divide both sides of the equation by 12. So, our n will be equal to 10.
Yes, we solved it, but that means he's in grade 10.
Let's go! Good luck, Vivian.